To use Zelle in Wells Fargo, start by ensuring you have a Wells Fargo checking or savings account and a mobile device with internet access. Download the Wells Fargo mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store and log in to your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Transfer and Pay tab and select Send Money with Zelle. If you have not already enrolled in Zelle, you will be prompted to do so by accepting the terms of service and adding your U.S. mobile number or email address that you want to use for Zelle. To send money, select the account you want to use. Enter the recipient's U.S. mobile number or email address and the amount you want to send. You can also add a memo to the transaction for your records. Review the transaction details and confirm the payment. The recipient will receive a notification with instructions on how to enroll with Zelle and claim the funds. If the recipient's bank is a Zelle partner, the funds will be deposited directly into their account, usually within minutes. To receive money, ensure that your U.S. mobile number or email address is enrolled with Zelle. When someone sends you money, you will receive a notification with instructions on how to claim the funds. If you have not already enrolled, you will be prompted to do so. Best practices for using Zelle include only sending money to people you know and trust, using the recipient's U.S. mobile number or email address that they have enrolled with Zelle, and verifying the recipient's information before sending the payment. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and conveniently use Zelle in Wells Fargo to send and receive money.